Hey guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So we are at the end of December. So that means it's the end of 2020. That means 2021 is literally right around the corner and we have to do a recap of all of our money goals and our personal goals. Now, if you want to watch my money goals and my personal goals at the very beginning of January, then I will link that down below. And if you are new, hello. I'm glad you stopped by and are here to, chat with me, become my friend and everything. But yeah, so it's been a crazy year. It's been really fun, really stressful because of everything that's been going on. But, we have each other, you guys, and we got through it. 2021 hopefully is going to be better. I've been seeing a lot of memes that says, oh no, 2021 is about to be 21, as in like, the legal age for 21 and everything. So it's pretty funny when I read that meme. But anyways, enough about that. We are going to be doing our 2020 goals, our recap. Let's see how I did. Let me know how you did. If you have a video, if you have a channel and you did this recap, let me know because I would love to go and see how y'all did throughout the year also. All right, so we are going to jump right into let's do personal goals, because personal goals to me are, well, they're both important, but they're kind of less important than the money goals. I know it's kind of bad to say, but you know what? It's fine. All right, our yearly personal goals. So the first one is help plan bachelorette trip for future sister-in-law. Well, my future sister-in-law, she actually rescheduled her wedding for 2021, and we are actually planning a bachelor trip together because it's going to save money, and also her sisters are also in my wedding, so it makes more sense just to pocket everything in one trip rather than spending $1,000 on separate trips. So that is how we are doing it. So we started planning at the very end. So I'm not going to cross that out and say that we did, because technically we didn't. We literally just planned out like where we're going, pretty much. Jared and I planned out where we were going and what we wanted to do for our bachelor and bachelorette trip. So yeah. Anyways, let's see. Plan annual vacation trip in July. What did we do in July? See, I don't even remember because it's been like forever. What did we do? I have no idea. Literally. What did we do, Jared? So I'm just going to leave that blank because I have no idea what we did in January. I feel like we didn't do anything. I feel like we just hung out at the house and everything. So we did plan something. Plan to stay at the house, I guess. 3, drink more water, which I have been doing that. So that is a really good goal. 4 is develop a better skincare routine. So I did start that at the beginning of January, and at the end of January, my face looked so rough. Like I really need a new skincare routine. So I go to the dermatologist in January and I need her to tell me like what to do with my face. But I don't want to spend like tons and tons of money on it. So that's our goal for next year, is to develop a better skincare routine again. So I'm not going to check mark that we did that or not. All right, number 5 was go walking at least 3 times a week. Yeah, I did not do that, so that's really sad. But come January, I am being part of one of my really good friends, her family's weight loss journey that they want to start in January. And how we do it is that we're all going to be putting $100 into this pot. So there's 6 of us, so that's $600, and whoever loses the most weight or percentage will win that $600. And I really don't want to lose $100, you guys. So I am motivated. Hopefully that will kickstart my motivation to actually eat right, be active and everything, because I have a wedding in 2021, you guys. Like, it's crazy, and I need to, do better so I can look my best come October. Get back into couponing and start selling. So I did start selling a lot in the middle of, I did do a lot of eBay. I have been selling a lot on eBay. So that was a pretty good side gig that I did. So that was pretty fun. So I'm going to say then yes, I did do that. I also started like, you know, Ibotta is pretty much like couponing. So I've done continuously did Ibotta and saving up money for like Christmas and Black Friday and all that stuff. So we did complete that goal. 7 is visit a state I haven't been to. So in January, I did visit Tennessee with some of my best friends. It was for vacation / my birthday, my best friend's birthday. So we had a fun time. So we did go to Tennessee, so I can mark that off. I did visit one state. Read more. I did not read a lot this year. I really didn't. I have no idea why, because I should. I love to read, you guys. I really do. And I always get in these like reading slumps where I don't want to read for like 6 months or so. And it's really sad because I really do love to read. All right, so number 9 is start looking into buying a house. So good news if you have not watched our video that we bought a house in May. So we moved, we bought a house. Our mortgage is so much cheaper than our rent. Rent is crazy where we were paying almost $1,200, and then now we're paying about $900, and that is with property taxes and everything into our escrows. So technically our mortgage payment is only like $600 and something, but because of tax property and everything that we put in our escrow, which is kind of like a savings account, so we actually just only pay $900 and so, and it's great, you guys. We absolutely love it. May will be a year, and we have not done a lot of decorations, which was really sad. So 2021 needs to be a decoration, a decoration goal. All right, number 10 is get into nursing school in the fall. So I did not get into nursing school in the fall, but if you have watched some of my videos, also you would know that I'm starting nursing school in January of 2021. I'm starting nursing school, and it's going to be a 1.5 year long nursing school, and I am just super pumped. So no, I did not get into the fall, but I did get into the spring, and I found out at the end of November. So I'm super excited about that, or at the end of October. Super excited about that, and I'm super scared, but I know that I have a very good support system. I have you guys, I have family, friends, and we're going to get through this. 11 is have more me time, which I have taken so many vacations this whole year. I have taken so many vacations, and it's been very good for me. It's very relaxing, and you know, you just need that me time just to reflect on yourself and reflect on your life and everything. And it's just been really great because, you know, you don't want to continuously work throughout your whole life and not live your life. You know what I'm talking about? So yes, I had more relaxing time. I have pampered myself. I've got my nails done, and my toes done. I have done a couple of massages, which it's been great. 12 is have more date night. So Jared and I, because of everything that's been going on since March, we haven't done a lot of stuff, but we've done we've done a couple of date nights or date days, and it's been really fun. It's not as much as I would like, but we still did it, and that's all that matters, you guys. All right, so out of 12, we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's well over 50% of the personal goals that we did. So I really want to take the goals that I did not complete in 2020 and transfer it to 2021. So that's planning a bachelorette trip, getting a better skin routine, walking, reading more, which reading more is going to consist of nursing books. And so yeah, so this is my personal goals that I have completed and I did not complete in 2020. So let me know what kind of personal goals that you completed and what you are working towards in the near future. Now let's flip back into the money goals, which is really fun. A lot of people do a lot of money goals. I've done money goals for a couple of years now, and it's really motivating and everything. So I really enjoy it. And we're actually going to switch out pens. So let's do purple. All right, so number 1 is finished a $1,000 emergency fund. So I completed that. I can't remember when I completed it, but we have saved up $1,000 in our emergency fund. So that is very exciting, and I don't have to stress about, you know, not having money for emergencies or anything like that. So $1,000, that's great. If we want to put more in, that would be great too. All right, so number 2 is pay off half or all of loan B, which is $600. Now, I actually did do that. I have done half of it. So I started with like $1,200, and then now I am down to $600. So yes, we did complete that, and that is very exciting. Now, since I'm going back to school and everything, the loan and my student loan, it has been deferred, and also the government's not taking the money out right now because of everything that's going on. So that is really good, and it's not accumulating interest. So that is completely fine with me. I still do want to knock that out. I have been, chipping away with it slowly, very slowly, but it's pretty good. All right, so start Transfer Tuesday with Pennies Not Perfection. So I did start that at the very beginning of January. I think I did it January and February and maybe a little bit of March, but I did stop because of pretty much like the money situation. And then I fell into a routine of doing the 52-week challenge. I was really determined to finish it. And then I interacted with you more with the 52-week challenge, like picking my numbers and everything, which was really, really great. It was really fun. Absolutely love it. I wish I could have continued with Transfer Tuesday, but everything happens for the reason. Absolutely still love Pennies Not Perfection. I watch her every Tuesday. I watch all of her videos. I love watching her progress. So maybe in the near future I will start that, but right now I am not, which is really sad. I did start the 52-week challenge, and I finished a 52-week challenge, and it has been very fun, very stressful. It's been a long 3 years when I first started trying to do it, and I finally completed in 2020. So, guys, everything's not as bad in 2020 as everybody expected it to be. All right, so 5 is save $1,000 for Christmas and Black Friday. So I'm going to say yes to this only because I'm pretty sure I was close to $1,000, even though throughout the whole year I buy Christmas presents left and right. I find deals on stuff that's good. I see stuff that I think somebody would like, so I go ahead and buy it, and I have the money for it in the envelope. So I really believe that I did save $1,000, and so that's why I'm check marking it, because I am confident that I saved $1,000 because I bought a ton of gifts for everybody. All right, 6 is save/book a wedding for 2021. So we have been saving a lot. Now it does fluctuate because we've been buying stuff left and right, decorations and everything, but we did book a wedding for 2021. It is on October 9th on 2021, and it is in a golf course, which is going to be really pretty. It's going to be really elegant. I'm more of an elegant kind of person, elegant, classic, and everything. So we are super excited. Even though I have school and I have to focus on that, we are still getting married. There's no doubt about it. I am getting married on October 9th, 2021, and I don't really care who comes and who doesn't show up. Like, it's pretty much Jared and I. We're going to be focusing on ourselves, and it's just been a long time coming. So October 9th, 2021 is coming. All right, 7 is increase the medical and car maintenance. So I have been increasing it. So if you have watched my videos in the past, I have been putting like $20 and $20 there. So now pretty much I do $50 every paycheck, which has been really good for me for the medical and car maintenance, and especially for medical because I did not start Dobby, which is my dog. I did not start his pet envelope for a little bit, for about a couple of months, and I've been using my medical expense. So I did have enough money to pay for his shots and everything. So that was actually pretty fun. Well, not really fun, but it's been really good to actually have his separate envelope now. And 8 is have a side hustle or sell items. So my side hustle is a pretty much a pretty good bit of dabble in a little bit of stuff. So one was DoorDash. I did a lot of DoorDash, and we started in about, when did we start? January? Or no, not January, July, I think. And that's been going good. We haven't done that in about a couple of months, but we start, when I say we, I'm talking about Jared's sister and I. We are going to be starting back that in January because most of that is going to go towards the wedding also. I do have a egg roll business that my mom created, and I'm pretty much just the marketing and the business person. She makes all the egg rolls. It's her Filipino egg rolls, and we have been killing it with the sales on that. And most of that goes pretty much all towards her, and then She wants most of it to go towards the wedding, so she doesn't have to stress about it, which is fine with me, because then we both don't have to stress about it. So that is a couple of things that we have been doing. I sold a couple of things on eBay and YouTube. So YouTube, I do get paid. If you notice, I've got paid 3 times already this year, and it's been great, and it's because of you guys that I still get to do this. Even without the money, I would still be doing these videos, because I absolutely love doing it, and I love helping you guys and interacting with you and everything else. And then I have another business with my sister-in-law. It's called KK Thrifty Designs, and we do a lot of vinyls, like mugs and cups and all that other stuff. A lot of wedding decor. So we have been doing that. It's a little bit slower, but you know, it is a fun little hobby that we do, and we do get to make some money with that. It's not a lot. I mean, I do have an Etsy account. We don't really promote it as much, but maybe 2021 we can do that. But yeah, so with all 8 of these, I completed all of them except for number 3, which is fine. I already explained that. So that's actually a pretty good money goal success that we did this year. So let me know also about your money goals and how you did this year also. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all killed it with your goals, and I cannot wait until we are in 2021 killing our other goals. Now be on the lookout for a 2021 money goals and our personal goals that I still have to write down, but that is coming also. Anyways, I love you guys, and I will see you guys later. Bye. And be sure to subscribe, because it's a new year. Subscribe to my channel, and let's be friends. Let's talk about our life. Let's give each other advice and just be friends. But anyways, goodbye, you guys.